To wildlife conservation matters, a global conference on illegal wildlife trade is calling on governments to destroy smugglers' business models. Banks, NGOs, scientists, conservationists and law enforcement experts from 80 countries meeting in London are planning to launch a joint financial task force to disrupt the international flow of illegal funds from the trade. Richard Bestic now reports.
Just 40 years ago, there were 1.3 million elephants in Africa. Today, scientists estimate just 415,000 have survived. A poaching crisis that's pushing the species to the verge of extinction. Delegates at this conference say poaching is linked to organised crime on a massive transnational scale. The fourth most profitable enterprise in the world, according to the UK's Foreign Secretary, generating up to $23 billion annually. And its impact on humanity as well as wildlife, immense.
The same criminal networks that smuggle tusks and horns and hardwood also traffic in guns and drugs and people. They launder money, engage in modern slavery, fund conflict and thrive on corruption.
Hunt says eradicating demand is essential to wiping out the trade. But demand remains high. Last year, authorities in Hong Kong made the biggest seizure of ivory in history, tusks from 700 elephants. Britain's Prince William, a leading wildlife campaigner, says global action has helped.
Governments around the world, particularly China, the US and UK, have taken unprecedented steps to legislate against the ivory trade. The price of ivory has fallen by a staggering 75%.
The aim of the conference is to strengthen the fragile front line of rangers on the ground with the muscle of world banking.
So far, more than 30 of the world's biggest banks have weighed in, promising to train their staff in identifying the suspicious movement of large amounts of cash and sharing intelligence. If following the money works, it could prove to be the next big breakthrough in protecting the world's wildlife. Richard Bestic, CGTN at the Illegal Wildlife Trade Conference, London.